So you want to save your Gmail messages to a Google spreadsheet. Sure, you can do this manually, but will you be able to do it every time you get a new email? Well, that's where Automate.io comes in. It's a simple tool to connect your favorite web apps like Shopify, Google Sheets, and hundreds more. To begin, visit this page, click on our use case box, and click on the Try Now button. On the Add Account screen, you will add your Gmail and Google Sheets accounts to Automate.io. Authorize these apps by clicking on the Add button and entering your credentials. And always remember, we keep your data secure. After successfully authenticating your apps, you will land on the Configure page. On this page, you will configure the specific data that you would like to transfer from Gmail to Google Sheets. Let's first focus on Gmail, which is our trigger app. This tells us when we would like our automation to start. Remember, you can change these triggers for different use cases. For this automation to work, you need to fill in the right values in the required input fields. For Gmail, this is folder/label. Here, you will specify the Gmail folder in which to look for new email. Now coming to Google Sheets. This is our action app, which tells us what the end result that we would like from our automation. And for this automation to work, you will need to fill in the right value in the required input fields for Google Sheets as well. These fields are Spreadsheet. Here, you specify the exact Google spreadsheet where you would like your Gmail data to be saved. And next we have Worksheet. Here, we will specify the exact worksheet from the spreadsheet that we selected above. Please note, the field names that appear below the worksheet are taken directly from the columns in the Google spreadsheet from our example spreadsheet. You will see different input fields based on your spreadsheet. And they can be filled out by dragging and dropping relevant data from Gmail like this. Populating this information will help you get more insights into your emails. Then, to proceed to the next stage, click on Done. In this stage, you will test your newly created automation, which we will call a bot. The purpose of this step is to double check whether our bot works the way we would like it to. And we can do this by either entering sample data or by receiving a new email. I will show you how to test using the second method. Now move to the dashboard of Automate.io and click I'm done. And always remember, when you save your bot successfully, Automate.io will save your new Gmail data to your Google Sheets. If you'd like to try out this automation right away, click on the link in the description below. Questions? We're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly on help@automate.io. Subscribe to us for more videos like this. And thank you for watching this tutorial.